Yeah. Hey everybody, my name is E-Double, their name is PJ Harvey. Let's go. Mama told me. Yeah. Black Paisley. Mama told me. Yeah. Come on. My mama told me one day I'ma grow up big and I'ma be a king. And my papa told me it's okay to sit when shit hurts. Don't forget your dreams, cause they'll get you through this so-called life they call living, but I call it strange. And I bet I'll do it, cause I'm on my way and strong enough that I can shake the pain. Hey, Mr. Sunshine, Mr. Rainstorm, meet me in the conference room, we need to brainstorm. Need some middle ground, need an even keel. But you're at war, picking sides, give me fever chills. Take them both like my flu shot broke. I need to give and take to keep me out of that moat. My head above water, thoughts of those lost this week. All these tragedies stay on repeat like we can't shake shit. I can't speak on it, fist to the sky but I can't beat on it. Drinking my cup so I'm gon' sip on him. Cam Newton's probably pissed, you can't stiff on him. All these levels of these relative problems, and benevolence is elegance for those who can solve them. I'm feeling pretty low like I'm stuck at the bottom, but I know I'll rebound like the Bulls with Rodman. I am just exactly what I will be, just a guy who can rhyme and chop ill beats. One day I'll recover from what ails me, till then I'm on that fuck what the sales be. My mama told me one day I'ma grow up big and I'ma be a king. And my papa told me it's okay to sit where shit hurts. Don't forget your dreams, cause they'll get you through this so-called life they call living, but I call it strange. And I bet I'll do it, cause I'm on my way and strong enough that I can shake the pain. They talk about death, we trying to live life while they signal says left, but they really going right. But who cares, they got nothing to improve upon. Meanwhile we pass them fast lane Rubicon. So let the shitstorm ring and they try to dap us up, but we just leave them hanging. Yeah, so let them catch up with the language. They can talk shit, but you know that we can manage. They say they tired of the metaphors, they are only pissed that they never really ready for them. So go ahead and get ready for them. Pop another bottle, cause you're gonna need a steady arm. It's like we living in the Tron game. Lines are all blurred cause we're sipping on the Bombay. John Stock versus LeBron James. No competition when you factor in the time change. Babe Ruth sucks, fuck what the books say. I could strike him out with 3 pitches in an arm sling. Yeah, and we can do anything. Mama said it's true and I put that on everything. My mama told me one day I'ma grow up big and I'ma be a king. And my papa told me it's okay to sit where shit hurts. Don't forget your dreams, cause they'll get you through this so-called life they call living, but I call it strange. And I bet I'll do it, cause I'm on my way and strong enough that I can shake the pain. We don't ask for the doors to close in this life, so we hoping they keep them open. And if they shut those doors, we'll smash the skylight till it's broken. Let's smell the roses, need to take that time to find our own road, so we focused on what's golden. And our gold don't shine, it's not from no mind, so we're not just living for a token. Mama told me one day I'ma grow up big and I'ma be a king. And my papa told me it's okay to sit where shit hurts. Don't forget your dreams, cause they'll get you through this so-called life they call living, but I call it strange. And I bet I'll do it, cause I'm on my way and strong enough that I can shake the pain. Mama told me one day I'ma grow up big and I'ma be a king. And my papa told me it's okay to sit where shit hurts. Don't forget your dreams, cause they'll get you through this so-called life they call living, but I call it strange. And I bet I'll do it, cause I'm on my way and strong enough that I can shake the pain. Yeah, happy St. Patrick's Day everybody. Happy March Madness, hope your bracket's doing well. Happy birthday to my pops, it was yesterday but still counts. Black Paisley Records, my name is E-Double. I hope everyone's doing well. If you haven't copped the mixtape, RainThursday.com, Facebook.com/
mentioned an Eastwood representative from Rugby Union from Shute Shield, top try scorer for that matter. Now lane 2, Jared Hayne from the Parramatta Eels. Will he be the Hayne playing tonight? Lane 3, Greg Inglis. We all know about Greg. Lane 4, many raps on this man, Lachlan Turner. Lane 5, Josh Morris from the Bulldogs. His stablemate Ben Barber in lane 6. Lane 7, the Cronulla Flyer, Nathan Gardner. And in lane 8, Matt Lewis. Now, to let you know what's happening in the betting, John Grant was a late starter, but I can tell you, John, the money has come tumbling in for him. He is $2.50 favourite.
Yeah, it's definitely. I think John Grant's going to have a definitely good chance. He's on $10.95 as a schoolboy, and I think he should feature towards the end.
Good money for Lachie Turner as well. He was $5 into $3.25. Hayne, next best $6, and there has been a well of support for Nathan Gardner. $13, Wooshka straight into $6. The runners are just getting set behind. They're about to get to the marks now, John. We're in for a great race. They are on their marks now, the 100-metre dash. Here we go. They're about to release this field of 8 to determine who is the fastest man in football. No doubt the nerves are building up.
Inglis in 3.
Here they come. About to go.
Gardner wider on the
Will they
track.
get under 11 seconds is a big question. Away they go. Hayne, not a bad start. Lachlan Turner in the middle is flying well. Hayne's going well, and Turner. It looks like Hayne in front. Look at John Grant on the outside. It's Turner. Look, might have got there. Turner and Grant lunged. Hayne was definitely third. Turner or Grant, I don't know. The two favourites, Johnny. Who do you think might have got the nod?
I definitely think it's Lachie Turner. You know, he really held his form. He can definitely tell as a Union player. It's a brilliant race.
Well, here we go. You see the replay here. The good form from Lachie Turner. John Grant on the inside lane was selling. In between them was Jared Hayne. Lachlan Turner budge. It was going down to the line. It was a great...
What is this dirty moonshine of which you speak?